Welcome to Space to Ground. I'm Kayla LaFrance. On May 5th, 1961, an astronaut rode a spacecraft into the heavens from Florida. Alan Shepard's flight aboard Freedom 7 was the first venture into space for an American. And now, 63 years later, 2 more Americans will add their names to an exclusive club of piloting a new spacecraft in its inaugural crewed flight. Later this month, NASA astronauts Butch Wilmore and Suni Williams will take flight on board Boeing's CST-100 Starliner capsule from Launch Complex 41 at Cape Canaveral in Florida. This mission will mark the first crewed flight for the Boeing Starliner and the 6th time NASA astronauts have launched on a new spacecraft designed for crew. Aboard the International Space Station, the crew of Expedition 71 are preparing for the arrival of Suni and Butch. And when you're expecting house guests, you need to make arrangements.
For the past few days, we have been preparing for Butch and Suni to come to the International Space Station on the crew flight test for Starliner with Boeing. And we're super excited, but we had to do some basic prep. We've been getting their sleeping bags ready, and their laptops, and their workout gear all set up for our house guests that are coming. Also, we've been doing some stuff that I think is a lot more entertaining, which is we had to move our parking spot. So we flew up on the Crew Dragon number 8, and we parked on the front side of Space Station. And for the crew flight test for Starliner, it has to park to the front of Space Station. So we're taking their parking spot. Here on my iPad, you can see the Crew 8 Dragon on the front part of Space Station, and that's where we were. But that's where Starliner needs to park, so we got to undock from there on Space Station, fly up and around, and come down and park right there at the top. Super fun. 4 of us got to pile into the Dragon and fly it around, take it for a spin for the day.
As always, we invite you to follow NASA for the latest information about the upcoming flight of Boeing's Starliner to the space station. NASA's Commercial Crew Program blog is a great place to start, along with @commercial_crew on the X platform. And that's Space to Ground for this week. Thanks for watching.